One of the really cool things that you can do while you're in this 21 days of hashtag stay at home is meditation. Why? Because right now we're anxious. We're anxious about what's going to happen to family members that are not with us, what's going to happen to our job, are we going to be getting the provisions that we need? Is everybody around us safe and happy and healthy? The people on the road, everything kinds of gets us anxious because they are uncertain times. We are today in uncertain times. And therefore, one of the best things to do is actually meditation. And it is really, really simple. A lot of people tell me, no, it's complicated. Okay. Now, here's the deal. There is a very cool connection between your mind and your breath. Okay. So when you slow your breath down, your mind slows down. Okay. If we're anxious, of course, we start to breathe fast. When we're fearful, we start to breathe fast. That's exactly the thing. So when you slow your breath down, you will automatically slow your mind. Okay, now let's start this breathing exercise. It's very simple. I'm going to take you through it. And why we do that is very simple. So we close our eyes like this, breathe in, and then breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. And when we breathe in the fresh pran, the fresh breath, the fresh energy, the fresh oxygen from the surroundings. It's very simple. So you just sit in a very comfortable position like this, like I'm doing right now. Yeah. You close your eyes. You keep your hands by your on your knees. If you're not able to sit on the floor like this, you can sit on a chair, but you need to have your feet firmly planted on the floor. That's all. There is nothing more to this. And very simply, you sit down, close your eyes, or you can semi close your eyes as well, and just breathe in. And while you're breathing in all the fresh pran and all the fresh air, all the fresh oxygen, all the good energies into your life. And when you're breathing out, you're releasing all the toxins, all the negative energies, all the things that are hurting you and making you fearful and anxious. And you keep doing this for 20 seconds, for 60 seconds, as long as you feel comfortable at a time. You can do this at any time, point of time, because you are at home right now. You can do this at any point in time. It doesn't matter. It's just to be with yourself at that moment. You can do this as a family as well. That would be a brilliant thing to do. So all you need to do is calm your mind with a little bit of meditation. It's one of the best 5 things that I have found for hashtag stay at home. So you guys stay safe, stay at home, and of course, stay healthy and meditate is how I would.